So, good afternoon, everyone. We're done discussing the transportation method. So, we're now into the assignment method, or sometimes known as the Hood technique or Hungarian method of assignment. So, let's have this problem wherein we have the following job and also the machine. If we're going to assign job A to machine X, it will cost you $25. If job A will be assigned to machine Y, it will be 31. If A is assigned to Z, it will be 35, and so on and so forth. So this is actually the easiest among all the methods that you're going to use in OR. Kaya I don't give quizzes in this topic. Okay. So if we write down all the costings here, okay, the first tableau will be horizontal. You start with horizontal. You choose the lowest, which is 15. The same thing here. Choose the lowest, which is 19. And choose the lowest, which is 17. So kung ano yung lowest, you just deduct it from all the elements that you have horizontally. That's why 25 minus 15 is 10. 15 minus 15 is 0. 22 minus 15 is 7. And then 31 minus 19 is 12. 20 minus 19 is 1. And 19 minus 19 is 0. 35 minus 17 is 18. 24 minus 17 is 7. And 17 minus 17 is 0. So that is the initial tableau. Okay. For the second tableau now, horizontal naman tayo. You choose the lowest. In this case, we have 10. Here we have 0 and 0. Dito lang tayo kikilos. So 10 minus 10 is 0. 12 minus 10 is 2. And 18 minus 10 is 8. So 0 to 8. And then just copy everything because we have 0 value here. So 0, 1, 7 and 7, 0, 0. Okay. For the third tableau, okay, the elements that we have here is 3 by 3, diba, sa matrix natin. Okay. If that is the case, if the 0 value is greater than half of the number of elements that we have, in this case, we have 0 to here. Tatlo lang tayo. So, ang kalahati niyan is 1.5. So, we cross out those. Okay? Again, if the number of 0 is greater than the half of the elements that we have in the matrix, we cross it out. The same manner here, may dalawa tayong 0. Half ng 3 is 1.5, so it's greater, we cross it out. So, meron tayong rectangular na 2 by 2 matrix value. So, in this case, the same thing as what we did in the previous, we choose the lowest, which is 1. And deduct it to all the elements that we have in this 2 by 2 value. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 8 minus 1, and 7 minus 1. So ito na siya. Okay? And this is the last tableau. Ang main objective natin dito is we can be able to assign the job to the machine with 0 value. Why? Those with 0 value are the lowest. And we're talking of cost here. That's why in A, isa lang talaga ang 0 value natin. So, we put A to X. Okay? Horizontal. And B, it can be assigned in X. It can be assigned in Y. But X is already taken by the job A. So, B, yung isa na, going to machine Y. The same thing with C, it can be placed in Y or Z. Pero yung Y, meron ng yung job B na naka-assign doon. So, C will be assigned to machine Z. So, the decision will be A to X, B to Y, and C to machine Z. And the total cost, you just add all the costings that we have. So, 25 plus 20 plus 16 is $62. And that ends the assignment method. Thank you.